Looking for a keyboard that's both powerful and customizable? Meet the AULA F75 Pro, your new gaming and productivity powerhouse. Reason 1. Tri-mode. Wireless lets you connect up to 5 devices. Seamlessly switch between Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and USB-C wired modes. Reason 2. Hot swappable switches for easy, solder-free customization. Swap in your favorite 3-pin or 5-pin switches anytime you want. Reason 3. Stunning 16.8 million RGB backlighting with music sync. Personalize your lighting and macros for ultimate gaming control. Enjoy a smooth, quiet typing experience with pre-lubed Reaper switches. The multifunctional knob lets you control volume and lighting instantly. Ready to upgrade your desk? Click to grab the AULA F75 Pro now. Don't miss out. Level up your setup with Pro features today.